In a world flooded with negativity and hate, most people crumble under pressure. But not us, not here, not in the war zone. W.A.R. stands for War Against Regression, a fight against everything that pulls us backward. Fear, doubt, division. We're done accepting the things that break our communities and poison our minds. This brand is a statement, a stand, a movement. Every piece we create carries a message: strength, purpose, resilience. So whether you're wearing one of our t-shirts or throwing on the cap, you're not just wearing clothes, you're wearing a mindset. This is for the fighters, the builders, the ones who rise even when life hits hard, for the people who choose discipline over excuses and unity over chaos. Because the war is not out there, it starts here, in your mind, in your heart, in your daily decisions. And you choose who you become. Stand with us against everything that is negative or harmful or destructive in our society. Join the Wise and Rich Strategies brand because we are resilient.